Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am reviewing this brand of protein called Pulsin, which is a pea-based protein powder. I have just finished a workout and I thought I'd go through with you what I use this protein powder for and how I use it post-workout to make a nice protein drink. Now what I generally use this for is I put 2 scoops into my porridge when I'm having my breakfast and that gives it a nice combination of carbs and proteins. But post-workout I use this to make a really nice smoothie. So I thought I'd show you the ingredients for that and the reasons behind why I use these particular ingredients in the smoothie. Now this is great if you have any digestive issues, if you are dairy or lactose intolerant, or if you've had leaky gut or Sibo or any other digestive symptoms and you feel bloated after you have any protein drinks. Now I've used, I can't tell you how many, 50 maybe different protein drinks in the past and different protein powders. In fact, I did a video on it several years ago and this has been the best one for me that's reasonably priced and it's got very, very good natural ingredients. So this is a great post-workout smoothie that you can make that will be easy on your digestive system and tastes really good as well. So what we need to do if you have got digestive problems is try to make sure that you're absorbing as much of this protein as possible, because unfortunately these drinks are really expensive, right? And they add up when you start knocking them back, but you're actually not absorbing a lot of the protein in them. So you need to make sure you're absorbing as much protein as possible, and that goes with your meals as well. So what I like to do is I take a digestive enzyme before I have my protein drink. So I've just finished a workout now, I'm slightly sweaty I think, and I'm going to take one of these which is going to help me to absorb a lot of the protein in this drink, so I'm going to get more for my money basically. So I'll take one of those. Also pre-workout I take 4 of these essential amino acids. Now these aren't branch chain amino acids, these are essential amino acids. So these are what your body actually requires on a daily basis if you want to be healthy and kind of fit and strong. So you can get these obviously from food, but I take these because obviously I'm breaking down muscle tissue. So I take 4 of these pre-workout and I take 4 of these post-workout. And then actually in the smoothie itself what we've got is I've got half a banana, so it's quite low sugar in terms of sugar and glycemic load. So half a banana, I have half a teaspoon of cinnamon, you can put as much cinnamon as you like. In here in the blender I have got almond milk today, and if you obviously dairy or lactose free intolerant, I'd recommend using almond milk or oat milk or something like that. So I've just got some almond milk in there, and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of almond butter, which is going to give me my healthy fats. So we don't want our protein drink just to be pure protein, we want it to be almost like a complete meal. So I've got some almond butter in there, it's going to give me some good carbs and good protein and fats. And then I'm going to add 2 scoops of this plant-based pea protein by Pulsin. And this is natural and unflavoured. So it's got no real flavour to it. It's got a bit of a flavour to it, but once you've mixed all these things together, it tastes really, really good. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to blend this together and then I'll talk to you a little bit more about this powder and why I use it. Tastes really, really good. It's not too sweet, but it's got a nice, smooth, kind of creamy texture to it from the almond butter. And in combination with this kind of natural flavoured protein, you don't get too much of a artificial taste. There is no artificial taste, just the flavours you add to it. So why do I like this protein powder? Well, compared to other protein powders that say they've got like per serving 30 grams of protein or very, very high protein content, if you look on the back of this, you'll see that it says that very versatile protein powder, no added sugar, it's vegan, so if you're vegan this is also a good choice. And it says a 10 gram serving, which is 1 heaped dessert spoon, which is pretty much a scoop, gives you 8 grams of protein. So you know you're getting just under 20 grams with 2 scoops, and it says use 1 to 3 scoops, and I use 2. Now other than that, it's got nothing else in this. It's just pure pea protein, and that's one of the reasons why I really like this, is because you're getting something that's really, really pure, it's got nothing else in it, and there's no additives or artificial sweeteners or anything like that, and I want to have the purest things going in my body. Now, if you suffer from gut issues, you don't want to be overloading with the amount of protein that you're putting in, because you're going to struggle to break it down, and effectively you might irritate your gut, and you may not be able to absorb a lot of the protein in there, which is why the digestive enzymes are very, very helpful. And the essential amino acids that I take as well, again, if you're someone that suffers from gut dysfunction, you may not be absorbing or getting enough essential amino acids from your food. So it's always good to substitute that, and they're not very expensive, so you can have those as well with this drink. So you're kind of getting an overall good meal after your kind of post-workout. And you can have this as a smoothie, you can have it during the day if you wanted a snack, a healthy snack. The other thing about pea protein is it's hypoallergenic, so you're not going to have any allergic reactions to this protein, which people often have. Well, I say often, some people can have with other protein drinks, especially if they've got whey in them or they're dairy based. You may have a kind of a reaction to that, and you may have some sort of inflammation or an inflammatory response because your body can't handle the dairy or the lactose in there. So I think it's an overall great protein powder. It's reasonably priced. I think it's like $14.99 on Amazon. I get this from Amazon, and you know, it's reasonably cheap compared to some of them. But you're getting a very good pure protein powder that's very easy to absorb. And again, it's, you know, it's 100% vegan, so if you're vegan, it fits that bill as well. And it tastes pretty good. It's easy to put into this smoothie and get yourself a really nice drink. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video.